All right, so breaking the fast, also known as breakfast. I want you guys to keep this really simple, at least for the get-go, just for the first month. Just keep it really simple. Do oatmeal, do some cereal. I've got some specifics that are listed down below about your cereals, about your oatmeal, because the things that we're gonna watch our sugar and we're gonna watch our portions. Because breakfast is just breaking the fast and getting up and going and starting your day. If you have, if you have a big day ahead of you, then yeah, at certain times you're gonna probably wanna have a bigger breakfast because you're thinking, gosh, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to really break for lunch. And I may be able to, have a handful of a snack here and there, but for now, as you're starting this program, just keep it really simple. And I've given you the details below so that we can just, not have you cooking too much just yet. But don't worry, I'm gonna put up some delicious muffins and some breakfast frittatas and some egg muffins and things that you can make and enjoy. And we'll even do a smoothie or two as well, because I know a lot of people enjoy smoothies, okay? I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything Dash Diet.